G'day, today we're going to go through the basic principles of how a pressure hold system works. The pressure hold system starts, we have our feed air in through your ball hose. The air comes in through a small moisture separator to take out any residual moisture left in the system. Then we have our feed air come through here and it goes down through to the pusher line. But it doesn't go down straight away. We have the response electric Deadman handle. This will send a signal when depressed up through the solenoid into the pilot valve. What will happen then is with our feed air through the inline strainer to remove any dust abrasive in the system, will come through to the pilot valve. This will be opened with our return line. It will then come through here to a T-piece at the bottom of the auto air valve. That will then open, sending a signal to our Teravalve at the bottom, allowing the abrasive and the air to mix in the blast hose. So other things that are really important when you use a pressure hold system is, this is our choke valve. And a lot of people like to blast with this partially cracked. What can happen then is, it could send lower pressure air through your pusher line when we have greater pressure air in your blast pot. What's going to happen then is, you're going to cause excessive wear in your Teravalve at the bottom of your blast pot, because the air inside your blast pot is greater than the air pressure inside your pusher line, forcing air and abrasive down through your Teravalve, either putting excessive wear at the top here because it will be blasting down, or in the lower section of your Teravalve, and that will wear a lot faster than what it should. So remember, if you're using a pressure hold system, always blast with your choke fully open in line.